Welcome to our channel. Today we are checking out the Bosch Styline Kettle, a stylish edition from Germany. Let's dive right into a detailed review where we will examine its materials, functionality and performance. Stick around to see how it performs in our boiling test. Here is the Bosch Styline Kettle. The first thing you noticed is the design. It's sleek and reminds me of something you might see from Russell Hobbs, just because the stainless steel on the design, but it looks really great. As you can see, the base is crafted from high quality white plastic. It's not the lightweight plastic. The upper part is classic stainless steel. The handle is particularly well designed, combining quality plastic on the top and a rubber inner for a stable grip. You will also notice the transport window here. This window lets you check water levels at a glance. As you can see, here we have marks from minimum 250 milliliters to max 1 liter and 500 milliliters. So moving to the lid. Unfortunately, it's made from a less durable plastic and features a simple push button for easily opening the lid. Inside you will find a removable metal filter. As you can see, we can remove it. Oops, it's metal. Sometimes it's a very good idea to clean it. And as you can see, that's it. Inside we have a thermometer. Maybe you see it. I hope. Thermometer is right here. So it's a very good idea to clean your kettle from time to time to have it in good condition. Great. So moving to the interior. So as you can see here, we have plastic inside and stainless steel on the bottom. So the sides of our kettle are plastic, and it means that inside we have one part of our kettle and outside we have another one. So this design choice helps keep the kettle cool to the touch, almost like a thermos, preserving heat but possibly altering the taste of water slightly, just because plastic, because only glass and ceramic don't change your taste. Okay, so this is a note for the tea and coffee lovers. Okay, so cool. What about the base? So this is one of the most beautiful bases I've ever seen. As you can see, the base is designed really great, unlikely to fit other kettles, because as you can see here we have another connector like in other kettles. So it includes a few essential controls here. We have here power button, is here. We have 2 buttons to choose temperature options. Here we have, as you can see, 70 degrees, 80 degrees, 90 degrees and 100 degrees to boil water. And we have keep warm button to maintain water temperature once reached. That's cool. So now let's fill up our kettle with cold water and let's check how fast our Bosch 2400 watts kettle can boil a liter of cold water. So let's fill it up. So okay, as you can see, it's 1 liter of water. Let's check the temperature inside. As you can see, it's 12 degrees. So let's start. Oh, wait a while. I need to start the clock. Let's start. As you can see, now we have 80 degrees, but we need to wait. Okay, that's it. So as you can see, as you can see, this was allowed. So slightly 60, 68, 67 decibels was maximum loudness while it works. Not while it beeps, but while it works. So it's not the silent kettle, but it's very fast. Only 2.5 minutes to boil 1 liter of cold water. So it's really cool. Because it's very fast to 2400 watt kettles. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.